Understanding, you're spoiling me, in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even from friends. You're spoiling me. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. Whether you're an English language learner or just looking to expand your idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. You're spoiling me is an expression used when someone is being very generous or treating someone else exceptionally well, often more than what is usual or expected. It can refer to actions like giving gifts, doing favors, or providing special treatment that makes the recipient feel honored and cherished. However, it's important to note that this phrase is usually said in a positive, playful, or grateful tone, indicating that the speaker appreciates the generosity. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, but it's most commonly found in personal and informal settings. Here are some scenarios where you might use it. When receiving gifts. If someone gives you a gift or multiple gifts, saying, "You're spoiling me," shows appreciation and acknowledges their generosity. During special treatment. If a friend or family member treats you to a day out, pays for a meal, or does something out of the ordinary for you, this phrase is a perfect response. In romantic relationships, it's a sweet way to tell your partner that you appreciate their gestures, surprises, or treats. To help you better understand how to use "you're spoiling me," let's look at a few examples. 1. Friendship scenario. Imagine your friend surprises you with a birthday gift, a day at the spa, and dinner at your favorite restaurant. You might say, "Wow, you're really spoiling me today." 2. Romantic scenario. If your partner often surprises you with flowers, chocolates, or thoughtful notes, you could express your gratitude by saying, "You're spoiling me with all these surprises." 3. Family scenario. Perhaps your parents or siblings have prepared a special day for you, filled with your favorite activities and meals. A heartfelt, "You guys are spoiling me," shows your appreciation. Understanding and using the phrase, "you're spoiling me," can add a playful and appreciative layer to your conversations in English. It's a wonderful way to acknowledge someone's kindness and generosity towards you. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this expression in your daily interactions. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to practice what you've learned today.